Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 1990 Noida for 300. 1965 10 paise rare coin Hyderabad mint 400 extra fine condition. This is a 86 Mumbai 1 rupee for 100. 84 Mumbai for 100 rupees each. Asian Games BU condition Mumbai 200 with mild rotation. Small farmer Mumbai mint AUNC condition 100 rupees. Hindi legend Mumbai mint Nehru 100 UNC condition. English legend UNC condition Mumbai mint Nehru 200. English legend Kolkata Nehru UNC condition 200. Hindi legend Kolkata Nehru UNC condition 100. Care for girl child Hyderabad mint AUNC condition. You can see the luster 1500. 25th anniversary Kolkata mint 50 paise 200 UNC condition. 2000 Noida 5 rupees 200. 95 Noida 5 rupees 200. Indira Gandhi UNC condition Mumbai mint 100. Commonwealth game Noida mint BU condition 200. Mahatma Gandhi Kolkata mint UNC condition 200 50 paise. There is one set 84 1 rupee 85 86 87 88 500 rupees set from 84 to 88. Click the picture like this and send me. $57 Mumbai mint and 57 Kolkata mint. First 10 paise in copper nickel. 200 rupees each. Scarce coin this is. UNC condition 200 rupees each. Quit India movement scarce coin Mumbai mint 200 UNC condition. 2004 Hyderabad UNC condition 200. Rainfed farming Mumbai mint UNC 300. Forestry Hyderabad extra fine condition 300. 1982 Kolkata mint Dabbu coin BU condition 200. ONGC Hyderabad UNC condition 200. Lal Bahadur Shastri Hyderabad UNC condition 200. Aurobindo Noida UNC condition 300. Commonwealth Games Hyderabad UNC condition 200. Fisheries Kolkata mint BU condition 400. Sandhaneshwar Kolkata mint UNC condition very scarce coin 300. Water for life UNC condition Kolkata mint 300. Aurobindo Kolkata mint BU condition sea lion very scarce. This is a sea lion only for 300. Food and shelter Mumbai mint UNC condition 300. Quit India Movement UNC, and one Hyderabad Quit India Movement AUNC. The set for only 500 rupees. You can click the set like this. Set for 500 rupees. Small farmer Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Small family Mumbai Mint BUNC condition 500. Food and Work Mumbai Mint 5 paise UNC condition, very scarce coin, 300 each. I have this two, 300 rupees each. 97 Mumbai Mint 200 rotation coin. Jagat Guru Mumbai Mint single mint coin only for 500. This is a UNC only, little mild, you can see here the copper line, so that's why I am giving it for 500. Otherwise this coin 800 and above. 1973 Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition. This is a rare coin. One other one 10 paise is 74, that is rare. This is more rarer than 74 also. X rare only for 700 rupees. No dent or a damage. See, every legend, everything is clear. There is all the details are there. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint, very scarce, AUNC condition only for 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. Biodiversity Mumbai Mint BU condition. I have 3, 400 rupees each. Small family Mumbai Mint BUNC condition 500. Happy Child Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Rural Woman Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. World Food Day Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200 rupees each. Small Farmers Hyderabad Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, 500. Chitrandana Das Bee Lion Noida Mint, very scarce in this Bee Lion. You can see UNC condition. This is a Bee Lion. Other one comes in Sea Lion. I have two. Both are UNC condition. Noida Mint, very scarce coin. Bee Lion, 400 rupees each. 95 Noida UNC condition 100. 96 Noida UNC condition 200. Tourism year UNC and 91 parliamentary UNC. This is a set for 400 rupees. Otherwise I said set for 500 rupees. This is tourism year only, cost 400, and this 91 parliamentary 300. So this becoming 700, but I'll give it for 500 set. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Care for Girl Child extra fine condition 500. Arvindo Kolkata Mint BU condition. This is a D lion. This is a D lion variety. Check the lion. Very scarce. For 500. Youth year UNC condition. Very scarce coin. Plus clear lion variety. You can see the lion. Lion is clear because this doesn't get printed properly. Lion in this Kolkata Mint. This is a clear lion variety. Quit India Movement UNC condition Kolkata Mint 700. One other one is there. This is also UNC, but this is for 500. Little less luster, you can see. Rainfed Farming Kolkata Mint UNC condition 400. K for Gulchide Security Edge variety Mumbai Mint rare coin. This is for 600. And one more is there. This is for 800 rupees. This is like a early strike. You can see the hexagon properly printed. Everything is clearly. So one is there for 600. This one is for 600. And this one is for 800. Sant Tukaram Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 400. ICDS Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 700. Ekam 21 Hyderabad Mint BU condition rare coin for 500. Half rupee 56 Kolkata Mint only for 200. This half rupees and quarter rupees are not UNC, and even 25 paise here. 56 Kolkata Mint 100. 54 Kolkata Mint 200. 55 Kolkata Mint 100. And these are some 25 pieces. 60 Mumbai 100. 59 Mumbai 200. 59 Kolkata 200. 57 Kolkata 300. 65 Kolkata 100. 67 Kolkata 200. 1970 lion variety Mumbai Mint. It's a small lion. It's a big lion. You can see the lion, different lion. This is a set for 500 rupees. UNC condition. 2006 Noida Mint cross coin 400 UNC condition. Very scarce coin. 1911 Kolkata Mint rare coin. See, everything is clear. 1 quarter Anna India 1911. Everything, all the legends, date, everything is clear. Even you can see the crown, his dress, everything is clear. Not worn out or no details and all. Full with the details. Only for 2000 rupees. Tilak Key BU condition Black Beauty Mumbai Mint. Only for 2200 rupees. It's a fixed price. ILO Noida Mint UNC condition 700. Dadabhai Nauroji Mumbai Mint BU condition 400. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Kolkata Mint UNC condition 600. Sorry, 500 rupees each. I have two. This one is 600 and this one is 500 rupees. This is 500. This one is 600. K for Gulchide AU condition Hyderabad Mint for 1200. One I have for 1500. This is for 1500 and this is for 1200. Food for Future Kolkata Mint UNC condition 1200. K Kamraj Mumbai Mint Black Beauty. Someone booked, not paid, so I'm putting it back in the video. 900 rupees. Railways Bolu Hyderabad Mint BU condition very scarce coin for 400. World Food Day Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 600 rupees. Mahatma Basveshwara Black Beauty UNC condition 300 rupees. 1954 Mumbai Mint rare coin 6200 UNC condition. Food for All Mumbai Mint. This is a UNC set coin. You can see this wave behind zero date. See middle of the zero there is a wave. 1970 behind 1970 you can check. This is a UNC set coin broken from UNC set Mumbai Mint. Food for All rare coin. Very low mintage of this UNC set. Only for 6000 rupees. 500 rupees more than normal circulation coin. Louis Bailey Kolkata Mint first strike rare coin. See the face. Only for 1200 rupees mirror finish. Agri Expo Kolkata Mint UNC condition rare coin. See details on the lion also. Very rare coin. You don't find this Kolkata Mint with lion printed. This is small black dot is there. So I am giving it for only 1400 rupees. Doesn't sell also. I don't mind. I can sell it when new book comes. Agri Expo BUNC condition Kolkata Mint rare coin 2200 rupees. Check the lion details. Rare coin 1967 Mumbai Mint AUNC condition rare 25 paise. See the luster. Read the lion. Clear line. Only for 2100. Half rupee 1899 Mumbai Mint. This is silver coin. 600 rupees silver only is here. And nowadays half rupee to get in the like with the details is very difficult. Only for 2000 rupees half rupee. Mother's Health Noida Mint UNC condition. See the luster. Only for 1500 rupees. Rare coin. I didn't write R here. Some 50 paises. 67 Mumbai 300. 69 Mumbai 300. 68 Kolkata 300. 62 Mumbai 200. 70 Kolkata 100. 63 Mumbai 200. 71 Kolkata 100. 61 Kolkata 200. 68 Kolkata 300. 71 Kolkata 100. And have this extra fine condition like early strike See this? It's like an early strike. With proper mint mark. See the mint mark? Only for 500 rupees, rare coin. This is a rare Noida Mint Patel coin. Only for 500 rupees. And this is another Patel, basic UNC condition. See the mint mark, clear mint mark. Noida Mint. See the mint mark, clear mint mark. Very scarce coin with extra metal. Error is there. See this Satyameva Jayate is there. On that extra metal is there. Only for 1600 rupees. Basic UNC. Plant family Hyderabad Mint. This is X-rare plant family Hyderabad Mint. Very difficult to get in this condition, and this is graded one. You can see MS61. Someone had booked it, but payment is not done. Long time became, so I also have to pay someone. So I'm putting it back in video. 9,000 rupees, but I'll give some discount. And one grading only costed me around 1700 rupees. Don't expect for cheap rate, please. Small discount I can give. And graded one, always in the future also you go to sell, it sells very fast. Okay, 9,000 rupees. Some discount I'll give, and ask me in WhatsApp. This is Gem UNC 1962-66 Mumbai set. Total 7 coins are there. 6 I think so. 1 minute. Yeah. Total 7 coins are there. Here, one more is there. Here. Gem UNC to UNC condition. Mumbai Mint 25 paise 60-66. This set is for only 1200 rupees. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.